Want the school text? If it's too fast, simply put in 0.5x. Add text based on what your character says. Crop it. Now align your text. Duplicate your layer. And pull the text down a little. Duplicate your layer. Duplicate your layer. Pull the text up a little. Add fade upwards effect. Adjust the keyframes according to the character's voice. Repeat the process to all layers. Once done, add fade out slow. Repeat the process to all layers. Now add increased tracking and copy my settings. Repeat the process to all layers. If you don't have Flow plugin, copy this graph. Duplicate it. You can tweak the text to make it look better. You can add some tint.